In this video, I will show you how to configure Azure Key Vault secrets to use in Power Automate. That will be using a service account. Before beginning further, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Yawer Iqbal and I live in Melbourne, Australia with my family. I am a solution architect and consultant. On daily basis almost I work with Power Platform, Power Apps, Model-Driven Apps, Power Automate and Dynamics 365 applications. I am a Microsoft MVP and Microsoft Certified Trainer, and I'm actively involved in community activities as a speaker, blogger and event organizer. Here are my connection details and a URL of my blog. Please feel free to connect. Here I am logged in Azure portal, and to get started creating a new key vault, I will click this link, which is Key Vaults. In next screen, again I will need to click Create button. And to create a new key vault, I will need to do a few configurations, and top of list is subscription. I will need to select a subscription. In my case it is already selected. In case you have multiple subscription, we can select any subscription which we want to use. Resource groups are a sort of mechanism for managing different Azure resources, and we can select an existing resource group or can create a new resource group from this button. In this scenario, I will select an existing resource group. Key vault name, that is an important configuration. We will need to refer this name in our Power Automate flow. So I will just put a name, flow demo key vault. Next is region. You should always select a region which is close to your location. Since I am living in Australia, so I will select the data center which is closest to my location. Price tier, I am leaving it as it is, and I will leave these couple of configuration as it is for now. Further, I will click review and create button. You can notice some validations are running, and now I can see validation passed. And again, if I click create button, that key vault will be created. At the time creation of key vault is happening, it can take a minute, half a minute or 2 minutes depending your resources. And we can see now that key vault is created for me. I will go to this resource to create a secret. I will click secrets button here. Under this link I will create generate, and again a few configurations. I need to provide name for this secret. I'm going to give name of flow demo secret 1. Value will be a password or a API key or anything that we want to access in our flows. I will type a key here, and that's it. A couple of these configurations which are not required, but quickly we can see set activation date and set expiry date. These two are important, particularly in our prod environment, if we want to manage when our key vault and secret should be available and when that availability should be ended. I will create this secret by pressing the button, and my secret has been created. Let's go to Power Automate environment and start creation of flow. Since this is just a demo, I will create a simple flow which will trigger from a flow button. So I'm going to select new flow and instance cloud flow. I will select manual trigger for flow and create. As a next step, I will just select from here Azure Key Vault, and under Key Vault category there is a action which is get secret. So first of all we will need to provide here vault name, and that is the trick, and that is a often done common mistake. Usually people consider it is a name of connection and they type something else. Basically we need to provide this key vault name here and sign in. I will select my account, and that's it. Let's see if this action has detected any secrets under it, and we can see the flow which we created, flow demo secret 1. It is available here. I will just press save button. Now let's test this flow and see if it works. I'm going to select manually triggered. Execution was successful. If I come here, I can see name of my flow is name of my secret is flow demo secret 1, and it has this value which I typed here. Just another tip here, because that is not a good practice to make keys or passwords visible here. I attempt to make it a little more secure. We can do one more thing. We will go back to this action under settings. There are two configurations, secure input and output. So basically input is for input parameters, and those parameters will not be visible if someone try to review the input, and same is for output. And in this case, since that is the output, I'm going to select secure output and turning it on and clicking done. I'm going to press save button again. Let's test it once more. Again manually testing and running my flow. It is successful. Let's go and see how our results. This time, since we have configured it to hide secure output, so we can see under output it is just showing content not shown due to security configurations. Many times when we are creating over resources, we don't want to use service account. Rather, often we want to use service principals. In next video, I will share how we can create a key vault and a secret and access that in our Power Automate cloud flow using a service secret. I hope you liked this video. Please help me promote this channel by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, whatever you can. And I hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye.